My name is Jasmine. I'm from San Bernardino, California, and I've been a notary and loan signing agent for 2 years. Prior to discovering the loan signing system, I was a full-time Instacarter and maid, making $100 a week. I found out about becoming a loan signing agent through TikTok. After hours of scrolling, I came across a TikTok where Mark was very clear on how to get more notary business, and I literally applied that, and I got business starting the next week. I chose to invest into the LSS, the loan signing system, because I can feel the enthusiasm really coming off of the video, and I was very excited to see if I could actually make some money after investing into the course. Since taking the loan signing system, I've been able to become a full-time notary public and loan signing agent, going from making $100 a day to almost $100 in 30 minutes sometimes. It has changed my financial situation. I was able to get a new car, rent out my other car. I've seriously been able to just experience life in such a different way because I have more money and I have more stability, more freedom. And I give credit to the loan signing system and the coaching of Mark Wills. Being a loan signing system student has changed my life because I have the belief that I will be a six-figure notary after applying everything that Mark teaches us. The loan signing system is totally worth the money because ultimately you're a great investment. And if you believe in yourself, partnered up with the loan signing system, whatever your goals and dreams are, you can confidently attach that after you learn what you need to learn through the loan signing system. If somebody is on the fence about investing into this course, I highly encourage you to ask yourself, am I worth the investment? Because the course works, the proof is in the pudding, but do you believe in yourself? Choose to believe in yourself and make the investment. It's gonna be worth it, trust me. Mark, I wanna thank you so much. I went from doing one notary assignment my first year as a notary for $40 to now being a full-time mobile notary loan signing agent that does about 30 to 50 assignments a month. And I'm looking to double that actually. And I want to give credit to the coaching, the leadership of Mark Wills, and of course the incredible details that is within the loan signing system that helps you become a very confident notary. I went from delivering groceries full-time to being a very confident notary public and loan signing student. So thank you, Mark Wills, for your leadership. I love the loan signing system.